Some of you might be wondering if there's a solution to this maths problem. So I want you to take the shortest time possible so that you can work it out and we compare the answers after this. So also, let's also work it out to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So I hope you've got your answer right. You've paused the video. So let's now work it out together. So now we have 6 to the power of b plus 6 to the power of b plus again 6 to the power of b is equals to 54. So our idea now is to find the value of b. So in this case, since 6 to the power of b is similar, so now we need to factorize it. So here now we shall need 6 to the power of b, then into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 54. So we have already factorized it by now saying that suppose we have the number outside the bracket multiplied by the numbers inside the bracket, we shall remain with 6 to the power of b plus 6 to the power of b plus 6 to the power of b. So let's now go ahead and work out the number inside the bracket. So 6 to the power of b is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, is equals to 54. So now we want to remain with 6 to the power of b. So what do we do in this case? For those who have worked it out, I believe now you understand. So now we shall now divide both sides by 3, this side also by 3. So 6 to the power of b, 3 and 3 shall cancel, so shall remain with this one, is equals to, so what is 3 to 54? So 3 are ones, 3 into 5 is ones, remainder 2, 3 into 24 is 8, so 6 to the power of b is equals to 18. So at this juncture, it is impossible for us to express 6 to the index of 18 or converting it into a base and an index. So let's now introduce the log. So now we shall now have the log of 6 to the power of b is equals to the log of 18. So assuming we have a number like the log of p to the power of y. So in this case now we shall have y the log of p. So let's now work it out. So the log of 6 to the power of b. So now we shall now have b the log of 6 is equals to the log of 18. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 6. So all over the log of 6, all over the log of 6. So the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel each other. So now our b in this case is equals to the log of 18 all over the log of 6. So don't leave your answer at this point. We can still simplify it further. Or you can either work out the calculator and insert the log of 18 all over the log of 6, but now we shall now get the answer as a decimal. So let's still proceed by having now our answer as, so now our value for b will be, so the log of 18 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 3, then all over the log of 6. So our value for b now shall be equals to, suppose we have something like the log of ab. So this one can also be written as the log of a plus now the log of b. So let's now consider this maths problem. So the log here now shall now have the log of 6 plus the log of 3, now all over the log of 6. So now we shall now have to work it out independently by dividing both sides by the log of 6. So now our b in this case is equals to the log of 6 all over the log of 6. So we shall now have the log of 6 divided by the log of 6. Then plus the log of 3 all over the log of 6. So now the value for b in this case, so b shall now is equals to the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 plus now the log of 3 all over the log of 6. So assuming we have the log of m all over the log of n. So this one shall also be written as the log of m to the base of n. So finally, our value for b, so now b is equals to 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6. So finally, this one now shall be our value for b. So if you really liked how we worked it out, don't forget to subscribe. So we can still confirm this maths problem and check if you are really true. So let's have, so our maths problem was 6 to the power of b plus 6 to the power of b plus 6 to the power of b is equals to 54. So let's now confirm by having now the value of b. So we have got it as 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6. So now we shall now have 6 to the power of 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6 plus again 6 to the power of 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6 plus again 6 to the power of 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6 is equals to 54. So how do we now work it out? So 6 to the power of 1, so this one now we know it is 6. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. So the log to the base of 6 shall cancel this 6. So now we shall now have 6 multiplied by 3 plus here 6 to the power of 1. So we shall get our result as 6. Then the log to the base of 6 shall cancel this 6. So now we shall now have 6 multiplied by 3 plus 6 to the power of 1 is 6. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. The log to the base 6 shall cancel the 6. So now we shall have 3 is equals to 54. So here now 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So now we shall have 18 plus 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 is equals to 54. So what is 18 plus 18 plus 18? So that is now shall be 54 is equals to 54. So now we are very correct by proving our answer is very correct. So have you got your value and have you confirmed your value to check if you are really correct? So it is true by saying that the value for b, and you can confidently say that our value for b is equals to 1 plus the log of 6, the log of 3 to the base of 6. So this one now is our value for b. So if you really enjoyed working out with us this maths problem, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this content. Otherwise, thanks for watching.